Mandy Moore's genius summer outfit hack is so flattering and it starts at $20. I am stealing this idea straight. Summer dressing is all about comfort while staying cool and functional. Of course, the objective is to look your best and feel your most stylish. But if you make an impromptu trip to the beach or pool, you want to be prepared for that too. Fortunately, Mandy Moore just gave us a master class on this topic. She stepped out in Los Angeles wearing baggy jeans, white Birkenstocks, and a monogram tote paired with what looks like a going out top or bodysuit, but it is actually a one-piece swimsuit. Her ruched one piece in a zingy papaya shade is lens and multi-way bandio one-piece swimsuit. While it has a given for a beach or pool day thanks to its sculpting fabric and leg elongated cut. Elongating cut, a one-piece swimsuit is super versatile as a top, especially in the summer. Most one-piece swimsuits have flattering features like ruching or shapewear technology that bodysuits don't always have, which means they will hug your body in all the right places. Plus, you will not have to worry about sweat stains or wearing a bra. It is truly genius. Mandy Moore is exact swimsuit is currently 55% off at Lens, and thanks to its site-wide sale, shop it for less and more versatile swimsuit to top styles below. Mandy Moore inspired one pieces. This slimming one piece has ruched detailing and a bright orange hue that is quite similar to Mandy Moore's. The bandeau neckline is great for avoiding wonky tan lines, but it also comes with adjustable straps to create a halt neck if you are craving more support. Plus, it comes in tons of different colors and range is from size XXS to 28. This crisscross halt swimsuit is a whopping 68% off. It has a built-in bra with cups that are sewn in and chlorine-resistant spandex with built-in UPF 50 to hold its shape, so you can wear it for more than just a season. This one piece with a high neck and tummy control is also very similar to the one Mandy Moore is wearing. The high neck makes it very unsuspecting that it is an actual bathing suit. It would look so cute with denim cut-offs and flat sandals for all chill summer afternoon with friends. Shop more one pieces inspired by Mandy Moore. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.